Work in spiral rounds or closed rounds. What is the difference? When you have your work, the difference lies in the beginning and end of the round. To work in a spiral, you will use a stitch marker. You will always mark the first stitch of the round, and it will never create a sharp boundary. It will always be circular, and you will often need to close the work with a slip stitch or by sewing. For a closed round, you work a slip stitch and a chain stitch at the end of every round. This gives a neat boundary, and when the round is closed, it will be flat. Here, for example, I haven't closed the round yet. For now, it's a spiral round. Here, I'm just doing single crochet stitches. Nothing special, so it remains a spiral. This will be a spiral round. To make a closed round, I insert my hook into the first stitch of the previous round and make a slip stitch to close the round. At this point, everything is aligned. To start the next round, I make a chain stitch. Then, I begin by inserting my hook into the first stitch of the previous round. I continue like this to work my round normally. You can clearly see the slight demarcation. The slip stitch is here, the chain stitch is here. I will close the round just for the example. Here I have my slip stitch and my chain stitch. To close my round, I ignore these two stitches. I insert my hook into the first stitch of the round I just completed and make a slip stitch. My round is finished, and there is no visible boundary. To start my round, I make a chain stitch. I reinsert my hook into the same stitch and continue this way to work in closed rounds. That's it for this example.